answer other questions?
Good evening po. Thank you po for coming.
Yan. Nag-good na sila. Sino ang gusto magtanong para mapabilis tayo? Sino unang magtatanong? Ate Mercy, the Great.
Good evening.
Ano po? Ate Mercy, sandali lang tayo first. Mga kapatid, pwede yung mga nasa gitna, kasi yung mga nasa likod, hindi na nila makita si James at saka si Nadine. So, pwedeng sa gilid na lang ang mga camera natin. Kung po pwede lang po pakiusap lang so that everyone will see James and Nadine. Kahit yung mga nasa likod lang. Sige, go Ate Mercy.
Your love for each other changes you in all aspects of your life. Hugot.
Actually, mine, it has changed a lot ever since me and James got together. I could really say that it changed for the better.
How about you, James?
For me, I've experienced a different kind of love with Nadine compared to past relationships ko. This one's been more mature, and I've grown a lot.
Para ba sa inyo ang pag-ibig? Nakalagay din sa inyo, ang pag-ibig ay masarap, madali, forever, or bullshit, paminsan-minsan.
Ang love naman po kasi iba't ibang klase. Meron po kasi tayong iba't ibang klase ng love. There's love na romantic, meron pong love for like ang families and friends. Pero so, like for me po kasi talaga, ang love po sa akin maganda. Kasi ang naiulit po sa akin ng love, maganda po talaga. Kasi yung buhay ko, nagbago, ay napaganda because of love. Yung love po na nare-receive ko sa family ko, yung love po na nare-receive ko sa friends ko, and syempre yung love din po na nare-receive ko from James. I can really say po na I've grown a lot. And dahil po sa love na yun, I became a better person.
Okay, James?
Love is, for me, it's, like I said earlier, it really has helped me grow a lot. So for me, it depends really on the person you're with. Because sometimes love is just really passionate and crazy, and then sometimes it really helps you grow, become a better person.
Yung love niyo sa isa't isa, pwede masabing kasing lawak na, kasing lalim ng ocean deep, yung in real life, yung para sa isa't isa sa inyo dalawa. Yung love niyo, ano yung masasabi? How would you describe your love for one another?
Our love goes very deep because we started out as friends. So we have a really strong foundation.
Ikaw,
Yep, same din po with James. Nag-start po kasi talaga kami magkaibigan kami. So talagang nag-start po kami sa wala. And then friendship, and then yung love po namin ni James ngayon, yung relationship po namin, sobrang dami po pong natutunan. Dahil po doon, and yun nga po, like what I said kanina, nag-grow po ako ng sobrang because of that.
so pwede nyo na masabi, never not love you. Sa isa't isa. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Okay lang natin.